YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. We are in November. Holy moly. This year is almost over. We got Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals going on now. Santa Claus will be coming down the chimney shortly. Hopefully you guys had a good day. And now let's see what they send us. And you guys could purchase. Alrighty. And also click on my Amazon affiliate link, which is down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Ooh, baby. What are you? Ooh. ZECHIN Samba pad magnetic 2-in-1 wireless charger. All iPhones with wireless charging. Oh, sweet. Samsung. Alright. So we got Samsung S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, and the S20, S10, the Pixel Plus. Ooh. Kind of looks like turntable at first, I thought. It's like, wait a minute. Oh. Look at that. 2-in-1 magnetic. Alright, let's get this open. I was not expecting this one today. Definitely excited. So this will be a nice little stocking stuffer or a gift to yourself. Somewhere in your computer room, your office, gaming room. There we go. Top right there is the tape. And here we go, guys. Whoa. Alright, like, whoa. Bam. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Here we go. Check out the scenario. Now, over there. Let's take a look inside. You get the power adapter. Oh, that's a long cord. So you're good to go on that. Oops. Look at this little interesting device. Kind of looks like an iPhone. Got the rose gold. Maybe for your watch. For the Galaxy or iPhone. Either or. It's not too heavy. You can take this. This is great. This pad won't slide. Barely moves. We don't need that. We should be good. That's empty. Put that right there. Garbage over there. Oh, sweet. It's not a twist tie. It's a rubber band. These are a lot easier. I like these. Rubber band. Sharpie. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty long. It'll reach for the video. Do a good job for it. There we go. Whoa. Futuristic. How do I do that? Some kind of tape. Here we go. So you could either put your watch, your 2 phones. I'm not sure if that's gonna. Oh. Yeah, I had to grab my Ultra. Alright. Oh, it took it. Alright, give me 1 sec. Okay, that was quick. We're gonna try it with the case. This is one of them. S20 pluses, I think. Oops. Boom. Maybe I do need to read the directions. I wonder if I could. I can't do that, dang. Huh? Pretty cool. It matches the phone in case you have the rose gold. It's really nice though. So thank you guys at ZECHIN. What else? Yeah, let's see. You can do that. Oh, it is big. Oh, okay. This is cool. Kind of looks like a bonsai tree in a way. I like this. You can charge your AirPods or non-magnetic AirPods, Galaxy Buds. So pretty much everything. Magnetic. Okay, so that's for non-magnetic. And this is for a magnetic. Ah. Okay. I got you. That's why. That's pretty cool. Now I understand. So this is for magnetics or non-magnetic. And this is for magnetic. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And you can see the little dial right there. Nice LED. Alright guys, check them out. Links are going to be down below. ZECHIN, Amazon. Be safe. Take it easy.